In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward an entire email thread in Outlook with the latest update. When you're working on a project or handing over information to someone else, it's often much more helpful to send the whole conversation instead of just a single email. That way, the person receiving it can see all the context, who said what, and when. Outlook makes this pretty straightforward, but the exact steps can look a little different depending on how your settings are configured. So I'll walk you through it clearly. First, open Outlook and go to your inbox, or the folder where the conversation you want to forward is located. Take a moment to locate the email thread itself. In most modern versions of Outlook, related messages are grouped together as a conversation. You'll usually see a small arrow or triangle next to the subject line that lets you expand or collapse the thread. If the thread is collapsed, click it to expand and confirm that all the messages you need are included. Next, click on the most recent message in that conversation. This is important because forwarding from the latest email usually carries along the entire conversation history below it, including all the replies that came before. Once you've selected that top message, look for the forward option. In the desktop app, you'll typically find this in the Home tab or at the top of the reading pane. In the web version, it usually appears as an arrow icon or in a drop-down labeled More Actions. Click Forward. A new message window will open, and Outlook will pull in the body of the email along with the earlier messages from the thread. At this point, enter the email address of the person or people you want to send this conversation to in the To field. You can also add a subject line if you want to clarify what the thread is about. But most of the time, Outlook will reuse the existing subject with a FW in front of it. Before you hit send, scroll through the message body and double-check that the entire conversation is visible. This is also a good moment to make sure there's nothing sensitive or unnecessary included, like long signature histories or attachments that you don't actually want to share. If there are old attachments that aren't needed, you can remove them before sending. Once everything looks right, click Send. The recipient will now receive the full email thread, including the original message and all the replies, so they can follow the entire conversation from start to finish.